Knew it for frustration from detectives who say backlogs at a state lab are leading to years of delays in serious DUI cases. Prosecutors just filed a case for a deadly DUI crash in Renton, where the lab results took 2 years to process. KOMO's Jeremy Harris is looking into the issue and what's being done to fix this backlog. Jeremy.
Yeah, detectives here in Renton say this delay is so frustrating because it's completely out of their hands. In a high-speed crash that killed a woman back in 2023, detectives immediately suspected the driver was under the influence of drugs, but it took years of testing before prosecutors could file charges. This was the scene back in December of 2023. A small car had plowed into a school bus at high speeds on this curve of Northeast 3rd Street in Renton. That crash killed 20-year-old Ashley O'Neill, who was a passenger in the red car. Detectives on scene immediately suspected the driver, Renton Trevino, was on drugs. They found foil, lighters, and needles in the car. Police say they determined Trevino's car was going double the speed limit when he crashed. This is another case of, drugs and outrageous driving having devastating consequences.
This was a compounding cascade failure here where high speed, the weather conditions were wet, the road was at a decline.
Detective Kevin Lane investigated this crash and sent Trevino's blood test results off to the state toxicology lab for testing. That's where the waiting began.
There was a multitude of issues, that miscommunication and then just unknown expanded timelines that led to it was about 2 years until we got the results back.
He says the lab at first tested the blood for alcohol, but not drugs.
We then had to send it back for a retest specifically for presence of narcotics. And again, that took over a year to get that result back.
The result? 2 years later, they finally got the results back, showing Trevino was under the influence of fentanyl and meth. Prosecutors filed charges of vehicular homicide. During the wait, court records show Trevino continued to rack up criminal cases, including for drugs and a DUI that happened the year after the fatal crash, all while detectives were waiting.
There was never any explanation as to why it took such an expanded time.
For us, it's 10 months for alcohol, THC, to 22 months for drugs.
The backlogs at the state toxicology lab are well known. This year, lawmakers in Olympia passed a bill allowing cities and counties to pay private labs to run their blood samples, hoping to drive down the backlog for DUI cases.
It's incredibly frustrating. We have what we need to do to file the charges, and when they're outside of our control, we are left to just sit there and wait for those things to come in.
While that new state law does allow cities and counties to send their results or send their tests over to a private lab, they have to figure out how to pay for it, and that's one thing that a lot of jurisdictions are struggling to do right now. The Washington State Patrol, which runs that state lab, they say they've seen about a 45% increase in the number of toxicology tests that they've been conducting over the last decade. Reporting live in Renton, Jeremy Harris, KOMO News.
Jeremy, there's got to be so much frustration over this backlog. Why can't prosecutors maybe just file cases while they're still waiting for the lab results?
Well, and that's a great question, because in a case like this, there was drug paraphernalia in the car, even near the driver when he was taken into custody right there. But prosecutors say that they really need those lab results to be able to prove impairment when it comes to these high-stakes vehicular homicide cases, even if that means waiting. Now, one thing is there's no statute of limitations in Washington for vehicular homicide, so they can still file the cases even years later. But as we saw in this case, police say this guy continued to rack up charges, including a DUI, after this crash back in 2023.
Jeremy, thank you.